So hi, today date is 26th November. Great fall. I have done so many mistakes today. So I have paid the cost for that mistakes. At the same time, I make all that mistakes. I'll ensure that in future I will not commit those mistakes. Okay. I'll show my profit. Just a minute. This is my option selling account. This is my option buying account. Okay. Now coming back to the Nifty 15 minutes chart. This was the actually major lower level as of yesterday. If this level has been breached, everyone knows that fall will be happen because there is no further supports. I'll delete all these levels. These levels I have drawn whenever market breaches this level. No, I will draw this next support line. If this level breaches, I'll draw the next level. If this level breaches, I'll draw the next level. So these particular levels I have drawn from the back history chart. For example, if here is a support, okay, if this is broken, next support will be here. Immediately I'll draw this line and I'll wait. uh, I'll make this as my target. So I'll remove all these lines. I'll just explain how I traded today. Not much big video, no need. Still I'll ensure to cover all the things. Okay, fine. So this is the first level. If this level breach, it means I know that fall will happen. I assume that fall will happen. Okay, huge gap up happened. So gap down happened, but initial first 5 minutes it is not breached that level. So I have waited. Once this level has been breached, I took a position in Nifty in my option buying, not in my option selling. So first mistake what I have done today, I have totally concentrated in option buying and I forgot my option selling account. I have forgot to manage the means I have ignored to manage my option selling account. That was the major mistake I have done. So whenever further if any trades I will take, I will manage my option selling account. At the same time I will manage my option buying account. So that was the mistake I have first mistake I have done. Second, when market breached this level, I took a position in Nifty. At the same time, parallelly, I took a position in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, this was the level. So this was the level. First, I'll delete all these green lines. Huge fall, beautiful fall. Still, market is falling. So actually, I've done so many mistakes. Otherwise, I would have hold my trade or I would have taken a new trade because I don't have a guts to take a new trade due to my mistakes. Or else I would have happily taken a new trade and I have covered so much profits here. Anyway, fine. Market will not go anywhere. This market will stay long here. We may die, but this market will never go. So better our psychology important. Once your psychology got disturbed, how many opportunities market may give, you just have to be control your mind. You just have to be not trade that day. Okay, fine. So bank nifty, once this particular swing low, this particular swing low breached, when it is breached, I took a position in bank nifty. At the same time, when this swing low in nifty, this swing low is almost the crucial level. When it has been breached, I took a level in position in nifty. Both the positions I have taken. Okay, so market falling and recovering, falling and recovering. So whenever it is falling and recovering and this swing low is getting broken, uh, I know actually global markets are negative, so fall will be there. Whenever this reversal happens and this swing low broken, I add one more lot. Okay, so this was my this is actually called as pyramiding. If you know, it's fine. If you don't know, then YouTube, search in YouTube what is pyramiding. Okay, I took a position here, I hold my position here, this reversal may reduce some of my profits, but I hold my profits. That is what trailing. When this swing low has been broken, I add one more lot and I'll hold my position, and this much fall is enough for us. Further we don't want to we don't have to risk all our profits. So this much, you can see, almost 170 points. If you take at the money, 170 point means almost you will get 70 points, 80 points I will cover. So that is very much enough. So I have exited all my profits here. Approximately, you can't believe, 14,000 I booked my here you are seeing 7,200, but at that particular point of time I have booked 14,000 profit. So after that I should have to close my account, but human psychology will always pinch you, always disturb you to make mistakes, to be greedy, to earn more money. So I am also, as a human, I also made a mistake. Immediately I took a position with a large position sizing. Okay, so I blindly thought that market will keep on fall, but when I took a position, again new position here, market reversed drastically. So I got losses. I exited with 3,000 loss. So it was 10,000 at that particular point of time. My portfolio was 10,000. So I thought I will not trade today. Okay, I will not trade today. I thought that. Again market came here, market fallen. Market came here, market came here, market started falling. Again I took a position somewhere here. So it falls some moment and again it reversed. Again I lost 3,000. So totally I end up with 6,000 rupees. So I felt so regret. Actually I earned 14,000 rupees in one day, and just like immature person, being after this 1 year, 1.5 year experience also, I just uh, do such kind of silly mistakes, so it make me so regret. So I just closed my laptop and I didn't trade. And after some, what to say, after some this fall, after this level has been broken, so I got some confidence here. So I thought that, uh, based on a reason, I'll took a trade but with a less target. So immediately by covering 40 points I have exited, and after that my portfolio has been came to 7,200. So from 14,000 I end up my portfolio with a 7,000. Okay, anyway, profit is profit. I think I know there should be a regret, but these mistakes I will not do in future. Again, this is my option selling account. Yesterday I took a iron fly. So in that iron fly also I made a mistake. In the actually in iron fly we should have to hedge the break evens, but I have not. I have made a far away hedging. So when market opened huge gap down, I have seen 6,200 loss here. So immediately I booked my 6,200 loss without without any second thought, because market is falling. 6,000 I have booked my loss, and I have covered that loss with this first two positions, 1121, 1892. These two positions I have taken. I have taken a directional trade and I have covered my loss from 6,000 to how much, 1100 plus 1800, almost 3,000 I have covered. So that means 6,000, 6,700, 6,800 my loss was there. So I have covered some 3,200 rupees. Anyway, it was fine. So 3,000 loss here, and 14,000 to 7,000 I have reached here. No problem, I'll make a note of all these mistakes in my diary and I will not repeat it again. So coming to the point, this is Nifty, and we are coming to the Bank Nifty. So I would like to actually I'm very addicted to Bank Nifty. I love Bank Nifty very much, so I'll always like to analyze in Bank Nifty only. So whenever you see that market is huge gap down and it is breaching all the important levels, so obviously fall will be there, but your position should be in such a way, you have to assume that market will reverse. so your position sizing should be small. I'll tell you the best easy method. So market open here, wait for some time. If it is continuously falling, if first 15 minutes closed red and that 15 minutes low has been broken, you can take a position. But after 15 minutes it is make a reversal, then wait for the day low brokerage, day low breakout. Once this day low breakdown, you took a position with only one lot. Okay, wait for it. After that again reversal happened, this swing low broken, add one more lot. Okay, again fall happen. So with this process, you will not see the loss in your MTM. So once you are not seeing the loss in your MTM, you will be having a guts to trial your profits. Otherwise, if you have to, for example, just imagine if you took 4 lots here directly, you have bought 4 lots here. When markets reverse, immediately your profits will be reducing and you will get a panic. After that you don't have a money. Almost all if you use all the capital here, you will not do the pyramiding here. So what if market reverse continuously? Your SL will be very huge with 4 lots. So if you take one lot, if your view is wrong and market reverse, your SL will be hit. You will get with one lot, your SL should be 1000. You will get only 1000 loss, that will be covered by tomorrow. But if you take 4 lots directly here, if it reverse, you will get 4000 rupees loss. So that is not to be done. So this is called pyramiding. Take one lot. Okay. If it is when again swing low broken, take one more lot. Again reversed. Actually I'm not that much experienced, only 1.5 year experience. Otherwise I would have hold the trade for the whole day. Okay, so many experienced people I have seen in the Telegram channel, they have took a position almost the day starting here. I think they have taken a position here and they have hold all the way. They hold all the way and they exited here. Just imagine those people are taking 1000 quantity and their entry was here and their exit was here. How beautiful it was. So that will come through experience. So we will also earn our experience, we will also learn the things. One day we will also do that, but now we are small traders. We have to book small profits. We have to achieve small milestones. We have to increase our confidence. Everything should be come over the experience. So this is what the video. So mistakes. First mistake, don't greed on only one procedure. Like I have two procedures, one is option buying, one is option selling. So everybody know instant fall will give more profits in option buying. That doesn't mean that you put all the concentration in option buying. You have to concentrate on your option selling procedure, you have to concentrate on your option buying procedure. Both things you have to manage. Again, second thing, whenever your profits visible on the screen, trail it. Okay, and once you have booked a profit after continuously trailing at one particular point of time, your trailing stop loss will ask you to exit the position. At that particular point of time, you have exited the position. After that, you should not take any further trade. You should not do any further trade. That's end for the day. This mistake you should not do. Okay, anyway, happy weekend. Bye bye.